here on my desktop I have a text file, fruit.txt. If I double click it, it will open with one of the text editors that I have installed in my computer. So the text editor is a program, and in this program I can read this file, so I can read these lines. I can write more lines here, I can copy this and paste, multiply them to have a lot of these lines in here in this text file. And I can do all this with this text editor program that I happen to have here in my computer. Now we can do the same using Python, which means we can read the file. With Python we can write more content in that file, we can multiply this, and we can actually do that very efficiently. If I had to multiply this, I had to copy and paste them 1,000 times maybe, but with Python you can do that very easily. So let's go ahead and do the same thing with Python. And let's start with reading the file. So how to read a file with Python. I'll show you that in the next video.